So in the last video, we discussed about dictionary, what is actually dictionary, how we can access the element from the dictionary and all. In this video, we are going to understand what is the definition of nested dictionary, how we can access the element from the nested, even how actually we can create it. Okay, so for that, let me comment everything from here and let me define what is actually a nested dictionary. Nested dictionary. So, nested dictionary is nothing but dictionary inside dictionary is called a nested dictionary. So, dictionary inside dictionary is called a nested dictionary. Okay, let me tell you how actually we can create it. So, and what is the use of it actually? Suppose I have, like, in a dictionary we can store the information of any object. Like suppose I am an employee of, suppose, from a company, so I want to store the information of my, suppose the company wants to store the information of my, so in this case they store the information like this. Suppose for the whole company I am the employee, so I'm using it like this. So employee one, so EMP1 I'm using, or I'm just using it as employee equal to, first of all, the name of the employee. Suppose it's Malika. Okay. Then age of the employee. Suppose I'm using here, like suppose 29. Same way, if I'm using the employee ID, so EID of the employee, suppose 1178. Any value you can store here. Section of the employee, like whatever thing we have. Suppose the gender of the employee, I'm using here female. Okay, and so on. Whatever information you want, you can store for that employee. Okay, that is basically we can store into a dictionary. But the thing is, in a company we have lots of employees are there. Okay, so how we can store the values, let's talk about that. So I can just remove this from here. For a company, okay, for a company I want to store multiple employee information. So in this company, I'm using it like this. Employee one information I want to store first. So employee one, and the information is name of the employee. I'm using a suppose AAA. Any name, any information you can store. I'm just using the dummy one. Name, let's use EID of the employee. Let's use 112. Only this information I want to store now. Comma. Now we have another value. So employee 2 this time. Okay. Now again, name of the employee. Like whatever information you want to store. This time suppose triple B, and EID of the employee suppose 116, and so on. Suppose two information. Suppose in this company I have only two employees are there. So E1 and E2. Now you can see we have a dictionary company where we have two elements are there, E1 and E2. Okay, E1 and E2 are the keys, and this is a value. Okay, in the dictionary. Now you can see that this is a dictionary which is actually inside a dictionary. That is why it is called nested dictionary. Because dictionary is a collection of heterogeneous type of data. Any type of data you can store inside a dictionary. So we are storing dictionary inside a dictionary. Okay. Now the thing is, we are able to store the value. What if I want to extract the element? Before that, let me just print the value of company. Value of company. And I want to print the type of company also, just to show you. And I'm saying it as a nested dictionary, but actually it is a dictionary. Okay. So let's see. Sorry. Let's run this code. And you can see here. So this is E1 is the key, and this whole dictionary is the value now. E2 is the key, and this whole dictionary is the value, and it is from the dictionary type. Okay. Now let's see how we can access the element. So in this case, you can do it like this. I want to extract the information of first employee. So we can do it like this. Print company. Either you can use get function or the bracket method you can use here. E1 will give the whole information of the first employee, you can see. Okay, you can use get function also for that. So company dot get, this time I want to extract the information of second employee. Okay, now the next thing is, what if I want to extract the name of the first employee only? So company E1, and then you can say only name I want to extract. Okay, and that will give you the name of the first employee only, which is AAA. I want to extract the EID of the second employee, which is 116. So you can do it like this. Dot get, or just do it like this also. Okay. Either you can do it like this, or you can do it like this also. Instead of using this, you can use the get function again. Okay. So run this code. Okay. So any of the method you can use to extract element from the next dictionary. Now, one more way here by which you can create a nested dictionary. Let me tell you how. So let me comment everything. So let me just copy the dictionaries from here. Control C. Suppose I have two separate dictionaries are there. Okay. I have two separate dictionaries here. Okay. So I have two separate dictionaries are here. Let me give the proper indentation. Okay. So I have two separate dictionaries here. Let me print the values first. Print the value of E1 and then E2. Suppose I want to merge it into a nested dictionary, so we can do it like this. I can create another dictionary here. E is equal to, the first dictionary is the value of E1, and the second dictionary is the value of E2. That's it. And just print the value of E here. Run this code and you can see the output here. Okay. So there are different ways to create a nested dictionary. Now, one more thing, you can create a dictionary like this also by using the constructor method. So I'm using here A is equal to dict. Now here you can use here, I want to store the name of the employee name. And now here you can use the initialization method equal to, I'm using here, let's use AAA. In age, I'm storing here 1, 2, 3, 12. And okay, only two value I'm going to store. Let's print the value of A and the type of A. Run this code and you can see the output. See. So this is the way by which you can create a dictionary and you can work with the dictionary. Okay, one more thing, as you can see here, we have this dictionary. Let me comment it out. Suppose I have this dictionary here, no? I have this E dictionary where I have E1 and E2 as a nested dictionary. So I want to, by using this E, I want to extract the name of the second employee. Okay, how we can do this? So by using this E, I want to extract triple B. How it is possible? Just pause the video and try to extract the value. In the meantime, let me tell you how we can do this. So E, I want to extract the information of second employee name. So for that, we need the whole value of E2. And to extract this E2, we can use 2 here. That will give me the whole dictionary from here. And from here, I want to extract the name of the employee. That's it. This is how you can extract it. You can use get method also. It's totally up to you. So run this code. Let me do it. So print E of 2 will give me the second employee. Okay, sorry. So this one, and from here I want to extract the name only. So we can use your get or directly this name like this. Okay. So this is how you can do this. Okay. So this is the thing. Now try to do it by yourself, everyone. Okay. Again, it needs some practice. Try to do the practice. And let's meet in the next video. And that is basically for the set. Thank you.